I'm just gonna kick this pot.
Okay. We're gonna go down a little ways. We're gonna take a look. It's a what? Oh, yeah. It's of no use to us. I'm about to check out some of this interesting stuff here. Wow, this is so cool, man. There's more tires than you'd ever believe. Well, not really more than you'd ever believe. I wonder what the hell this is. Dude, this isn't a tire. You're gonna be weirded right the fuck out. It's a laundry machine. It's a washer. See what people dump down here in our county parks? This is a laundry machine. It's a washer.
From what, 1982?
I don't know. It's old and it's rusted.
The tire looks brand fucking new.
Let's take a look. It does. Our plan here is, see these 3 tires here?
4 tires.
4 tires? Where?
Okay.
Wow, I guess I don't see it. Anyway, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Oh yeah, 4. This is just the tip of the iceberg of the tires that you'll find around here. I'd say there's at least 50 tires around here, if that.
Yeah.
So what our plan is, we're going to take this garbage and we're going to build something out of it. So yeah. Ooh, I think I see a pot.
I see another tire.
Oh, this one?
No.
Oh, I see more tires. Holy crap. We're in tire land.
I think it may be the same pot that I kicked.
No, it's a different pot. It's a different one.